Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Derek. So I ordered an EQT grounding kit. I've seen a lot of videos to where a lot of MQB users have been switching to that because of the grounding wires are a bit fragile on the OEM side, and also it's also a pain. However, everyone that's been doing it has been using it on the older Golfs, GTIs, and Golf Rs. So I figured I'd do one and show y'all on the Mark 8s. So pretty much everything's the same as the previous gens. So everything's all installed. I'm sorry I didn't do a step-by-step installation where others already have that done. However, I will say that when you're grounding it, everybody's that has the older Mark 7.5s, maybe earlier, their grounding points, like, you know, somewhere in here. However, I found a spot on the Mark 8s to where I ran the grounding wires across underneath my coolant reservoir, and on the Mark 8s you have a ground right there that's connected to this. However, you don't have to use the OEM provided whatever that is to hook it up, but I figure I'd use, keep that intact and then wire everything up. Here we are here. Everything's all lined up. All I have to do now is secure the nut, and we should be done with this install.